Well, how hundred children to do this? The Queen Quet coming to hundred from Trench Island. Well, hundred to get about to call up Hilton head to day and things like that. We did ya in the midst of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We want to thank you to Beaufort County Council for dedicating this year week one more again in the whole of the county. But rather us, we want to thank the town of Hilton Head for joining we one more again in this year celebration. So, hundred children, let me read this year proclamation right here from Hilton Head. Proclamation by the town of Hilton Head Island. Whereas Beaufort County is the second oldest county in South Carolina, and at its founding, Africans were brought into what is now known as Hilton Head Island, and these Africans are now known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas for the third year, the town of Hilton Head Island joins the Gullah Geechee Nation in honoring the Gullah Geechees, and whereas Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shaw of All Mobile Productions co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival as an event to continue to educate the world on this and other aspects of Gullah Geechee story and culture. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions. And whereas a series of activities will take place throughout Beaufort County and the town of Hilton Head Island to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week leading up to the festival and to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation, including the celebration of the lives of the Emmanuel Nine. Now, therefore, I, David Bennett, Mayor of the town of Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, do proclaim the week of July 25th through August the 2nd, 2015 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and we call on Hilton Head Island to honor the legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and we urge the citizens of the island to participate in the theme, Time for Shout. And as Hunter Dillon can see, it's signed and it has the official seal of the town of Hilton Head Island here in South Kakalaki in the Gullah Geechee Nation, dear Punham. So Hunter children, thank you for Hilton Head joining we, but we want Hunter for join we too. So follow we at Gullah Geechee and at Gullah Geechee Nation so that all this year we Hunter can know what is going on and things like that. And we going to let you know a little bit from the talk of the town, but how this year start, how it going on, and how Hunter can join we for the week over. Because truly, it's a time for shout. Thank you everybody. Peace and blessing.